Hello children, welcome to the online class of EVS. Today we will start a new lesson. Lesson number 5, Clothing. Children, people wear different types of clothes depending upon the climate, culture and their tradition. Come, we will see the pictures on page number 25 and identify and read the names of the clothes. First is T-shirt. Second is shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Next is trousers. 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 Shorts. 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 And frock. 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 Now we will read the above sentences. We wear clothes to cover ourselves. Clothes protect us from heat and cold. Clothes also protect us from rain and wind. Now, next page. There is an activity on page number 26. Let us read the instructions. Look at the pictures. Write below the names of any 4 things that you wear. Children, see, the pictures of so many dresses are given here. First one is frock, then raincoat, shorts, skirt, cap, socks, shirt, trousers, gloves and blouse. So space has been provided. You have to write name of any 4 dresses that you wear. Okay? Come, we will read further. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. So, children, we wear dresses according to the season. See, in summer season, the boy is wearing a t-shirt and shorts. Then next, in rainy season, girl is in raincoat, gumboots. Okay? And see, in winter season, the boy is wearing sweater, woolen cap, muffler and trouser. Okay? Now come to page number 27. We will read the given sentences. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep us cool. These clothes protect us from heat. What type of clothes do we wear in summer season? In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. And why do we wear cotton clothes? Because cotton clothes keep our body cool and protect us from heat. Okay? Come, next. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm and protect us from cold. So, what type of clothes are worn in winter season? In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. And why do we wear woolen clothes in winter season? Because woolen clothes keep our body warm and protect us from cold. Come, next lines. We wear synthetic and plastic clothes when it rains. See carefully the spelling of synthetic. 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 So what type of clothes do we wear in rainy season? We wear synthetic and plastic clothes when it rains. These clothes protect us from rain. Yes, so when it rains, we wear raincoat and we use an umbrella and we do not get wet. Okay, children? So we have completed reading of this chapter, clothing. You will read the lesson again and you will do the activity in your copy. Okay? Thank you.